Customer states there's a stinky smell coming from under the vent or out of the vents. I think that might be part of the problem. That's pretty bad. It's a 30,000 mile truck, and I guarantee you that's probably going to be a Mopar part number. I don't see a Mopar logo on it, but the airflow and the arrow are the same way, and that's indicative of a Mopar air filter. Man, that's gross. Guys, maintain your vehicles, change your filters, change your oil, change your fluids, flush your brake systems. I watched Rayman video today on YouTube, and he was talking about how somebody's brake fluid in Audi looked like Shrek piss. So, as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. This is my third video I put out today. I know they're very short, but I look at used cars all day, so I mean, unless I find something substantial and hilarious, I don't usually do a whole lot of filming to show you guys. But as you can see, we do everything from ambulances to BMWs to Dodges to more Dodges. I mean, so as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Got me some new jack stands today from Matco for the house. It's my little scoop, go back and forth from a car in the parking lot. And yeah, if you guys like what you see, leave me a comment. Don't hesitate to ask a question, and give me some love, show me some feedback, guys. Thanks for watching.